Okay. Good evening, all. A warm welcome to one and all who have joined this session. I am happy to introduce Cowais Ecoversity to the newcomers who have joined today. First, let me introduce the Cowais Foundation. Cowais Foundation is an observation of knowledge, vision, and social empowerment foundation. This foundation is laid to first stone on 6th February 2014 and officially launches of this was on 14th February 2014 on Valentine's Day to proclaim the love and the affections of mankind. The ultimate goal of this foundation is to develop small village and self-sufficiency. Under Cowais Foundation, we are having various number of institutions. In that comes Cowais Ecoversity, started the utmost care of the society and mankind. I initiate mainly based on the learning ideology Sri Rabindranath Tagore. In this mission, Cowais Ecoversity facilitated by sowing the seed of need-based pedagogy. Under Cowais Ecoversity, we are having two schools. Farm school, everybody knows the agriculture is a backbone of India. In the farm school, we invite farmers to learn the advanced technology of farming and adapting the same. Infant school of Cowais Ecoversity also encourage informal learning programming of the human beings through the discussion and mentorship and the exploratory learning, thereby bringing meaningful personal and social development. We facilitate such learning system by connecting them to the subject matter specialized of their field of interest. We have started a new program called Kids Talkies under Cowais Ecoversity from the age of 5 to 15 years. In this platform, kids can express their talents by showing it to the world. So today we are in the 5th seminar. It's successfully. Now I am saying a quote today from that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Education is most powerful weapon. With you can use the change the world. So kids should use the powerful weapon, education, to change the world. So I am hand over this session to Bhavan Pradesh to introduce about Deepti.
Okay. A warm good evening to all. My name is Bhavan Pratishwi, studying grade 7 in SNS Academy, Coimbatore. Today I'm happy to introduce a new student, Ms. Deepti S. She is studying grade 7 in SNS Academy, Coimbatore. Her extracurricular activities are Bharatanatyam. She has been learning it for the past 5 years. She is interested in art and painting. She has done the basic level of coding and her ambition is to become an IAS officer. Her father, Mr. Selvakumar sir, is a software engineer who is working now as the project manager at L&T Mysore. He is an engineering graduate of Electronics and Communication Department. Her mother, Mrs. Vanita Selvakumar ma'am, is working as a teacher in Maharishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Coimbatore. She has studied MC, BA, B.Ed in Environmental Science. She is interested in social activities and parts of NGOs. Her hobby is to do gardening. Deepti, today is your day. You can proceed with the session. Thank you.
Can I start sharing the screen?
Deepti, you can start. You have any PowerPoint presentation?
Yes, auntie.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now you can share it also. Your screen is there. Okay. We can see your screen, Deepti. You can start.
Before starting this presentation, I'd like to start the presentation with a quote. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. This is a famous quote said by Albert Einstein. A warm welcome to everyone present here. First, I would like to thank Mrs. Surya Narmada, founder and chairperson of Cowais Ecoversity, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, ma'am. And I also like to thank Viveka Sundar, project director of Cowais Ecoversity. Thank you, ma'am. And I also like to thank Archana auntie for continuous follow up with us. Thank you, auntie. I'm here to give a presentation on technology, and I'm DPS studying in grade 7 in SNS Academy. In this webinar, I'm going to cover a few topics which are: what is technology? Technology then versus now. What happens if technology is not there? Technology and communication, artificial intelligence, technology in navigation systems, technology in education, technology in construction and farming, technology in medicine, and recent updates on technology. What is technology? Can I get any answers?
Technology is the use of computers and new creative software sources.
Yes. Technology refers to application of scientific knowledge used for practical purposes. So technology then versus now. This was the first telephone which was introduced by Alexander Graham Bell in the year 1876. This is the first mobile phone which was invented in the year 1973 by a company called Motorola by an engineer named Martin Cooper, and the model of this mobile phone is Dynapac 8000X. And this is the evolution of mobile phone. From this slide, it is evident that how mobile phones have shown series of development in technology. In those days, people used to carry money wherever they go. In that cases, a robbery would take place, and people also used to lose their money due to carelessness. But nowadays, we are using debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfer so that our money is being used in a secured way. Those days, people used to go to market and buy the things what they want. But nowadays, with some help of some gadgets, we are able to buy the things in the place where we are. And due to globalization and technology, we are able to purchase goods or products from any part of the world, which is called online shopping. This is the mechanical computer which was invented by Charles Babbage in the year 1822, and this weighs around 700 pounds, approximately 317 kgs. What happens if technology is not there? Any answers?
If anybody answer, please answer it.
So I'll tell the answer. Life becomes technology will be very difficult, but in this life, technology plays a major role, and the life without technology is impossible. Technology in communication. Can anyone tell me what type of mode of communication did people use in ancient times?
Could you repeat the question?
What types of mode of communication did people use in ancient times?
Letters.
Via pigeon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Letters.
Yeah, people use smoke signals and messenger pigeons to contact. So smoke signals is the oldest method of communication for communicating in a long distance, and this is also one of the oldest method of visual communication. Internet. Sorry. So the first telephone was invented in the year of 1849. In 1973, Motorola created the first mobile phone. In 1996, Nokia revealed the QWERTY keyboard, and in 2010, all Android phones were touchscreen. In 2007, Steve Jobs revealed the first iPhone, modern smartphone with high security features. Internet. Since mid 1990s, the internet had a revolutionary impact on communication. The improvement of communication was through mail, instant messaging, voice over internet protocol, telephone calls, two-way interactive video calls, discussion forums, blogs, and social networking. It speeds the pace of business and widens the possibility within the enterprise space. It allowed people to find their voice and express themselves through social media such as YouTube and memes. Email. Email was introduced to the world in the year of 1991. The first users of email were educational system and military for exchanging information. Next came Slack. I'm not sure how many of them are aware of Slack. Slack is a business communication platform which was developed by an American software company, and this company is launched in 2014, and even it is described as email killer because 10 million people are using Slack on daily basis, but still email is being strong. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is a computer-generated simulation in which a person can interact with the artificial three-dimensional environment using electrical devices such as special goggles with a screen or glasses fitted with sensors. Now, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the field of computer science that is associated with the concept of machines thinking like humans to perform tasks such as learning, problem solving, planning, reasoning, and identifying patterns. Example of artificial intelligence are robots. Applications of artificial intelligence are healthcare, education, robotics, finance, automobile, and so on. There are a number of projects are going on with this artificial intelligence. Navigation, technology in navigation. So I would like to give a situation here. Suddenly, you receive a phone call from your friend that he is in emergency need of you. So you don't have a vehicle, and you are in a position that you cannot borrow a vehicle from other. Then what will you do?
You tell an Ola taxi, or we would just call the ambulance and tell them to go to the location.
Yeah, we'll immediately book for a cab. The cab arrives to our doorstep within a few minutes. How is it possible? And you can
Because of technology.
Yeah, and you can even track the details of the vehicle color, driver details, registration number, and its arrival inch by inch. Yeah, is possible due to technology. And you can even locate your house, school, or important places in maps. Many types of main types of navigation are celestial, GPS, and map and compass. Navigation systems may be capable of one or more of containing maps which may be displayed in human readable format via text or in a graphical format. Determining a vehicle or vessel's location via sensor maps or information from external sources. Providing suggested directions to a human in charge of vehicle or vessel via text or speech. Providing directions directly to an autonomous vehicle. providing information on nearby vehicles or other hazards or obstacles, providing information on traffic condition and suggesting alternative direction, simultaneous localization and mapping, acoustic positioning for underwater navigation. Celestial navigation. Celestial body celestial bodies is done using a device called nautical sextant that uses angular measurement to locate the celestial bodies from the Earth. Types of technology used in education. Technologies used in education are smart boards, classroom PCs, projectors, and television. Enhanced teaching and learning. Technological developments like digital cameras, projectors, mind training, software, computers, PowerPoint presentation, 3D visualization tools, all these have become great source for teachers to help students grasp a concept easily. It has to be understood that visual explanation of concepts makes learning fun and enjoyable for students. They are able to get they are able to participate more in the classroom, and even teachers get a chance to make their classes more interactive and interesting. Advantages are it makes students more excited to learn and helps students with their busy schedule and freedom to work at home on their own time. Train students to learn new technology skills where they can use later in the workplace. Decrease paper and photocopying costs, promoting concept of green revolution. So next, technology in construction. Types of construction technology impacting the industry. Data collection apps, drones, building information modeling software, virtual reality and wearables, 3D printing, artificial intelligence. Recently, these technology are existence into the construction field, which makes planning and execution of construction easier. Agriculture forms a major sector.
Deepti? Deepti, are you there?
Crop crop sensors. Different technology in medicine. Different medical technologies of 21st century are 4D ultrasound. The 4D ultrasound produces sound waves from many angles, which shows moving images of the unborn. The images are more detailed and are captured at a much faster rate compared to 2D or 3D scanning. So the 4D ultrasound like this in the picture will enable the parents witness how their child moves from the mother's womb. Microfluidic chip to quickly analyze. A microfluidic chip to quickly analyze the flu. A new method of diabetic detection. A device named Scout uses light at different wavelengths in use to detect diabetics. Already, this is being used in USA. This detection can help us preventing from diabetes. Camera pills. It is a device that is like a candy. The patient swallows the camera pill. It records all the information about the stomach. The patient will be wearing a band where all the information collected in the camera is transferred. This will help the doctor to identify and to solve the problem. It stays inside our body for about 8 hours and comes out through feces or excreta. Smart capsule. The smart capsule is a device controlled by the computer system which can be reversed or stopped. It goes into the alimentary canal carrying a battery of tools and sensors as it hunts for diseased cells. Biological pacemaker. Do anyone know what is pacemaker? So let me tell the answer. Pacemaker sends electrical impulse to heart muscles to maintain a suitable heart rate. Electronic pacemakers save lives. Electronic pacemakers saves a life, but its hardware eventually wears out. Now, researchers at several universities are developing a batteryless alternative pacemaker genes expressed in stem cells that are injected into damaged regions of the heart. Stem cells are special types of cells that give rise to different types of cells. Better suited for physical exertion, biological pacemakers have been shown to bring slow canine heart breakup to speed without complications. This is the image of the pacemaker. Next, technology in IIT Madras. They have invented a Arise standing wheelchair, and the team was awarded as the best 2020 Schumann. This was the news which I saw from TV. Recent updates in technology. The desert greenhouse is great innovation that turns wasted sand land into arable land to plant vegetables and fruits, increasing the area of arable land and output of agriculture products with high quality. Seawater greenhouse. The seawater greenhouse is a greenhouse structure that enables the growth of crops in hot, arid regions using seawater and solar energy. 5G. 5G, the fifth generation of mobile network, promises much faster data download and upload speeds, wider coverage, and more stable connections. These benefits will bring about significant improvements in communication. 5G will be 100 to 1,000 times faster. The Consumer Technology Association notes that at this speed, you could download a 2-hour movie in just 3.6 seconds, whereas 6 minutes on 4G or 26 hours on 3G. Technology has got. Do you think technology is a boon or curse?
Both is there.
Yeah.
If we are using in a correct way, it is a boon.
Yes.
Ah.
So technology has got ill effects too, but compared to negative effects, positive effects are more, and it depends on the individual how they handle it. According to me, I would say that is a boon. Even in this pandemic, learning did not stop for us, and it's made possible only because of technology. Thank you.
Deepthi, your session today is very good. Okay. We studied a lot of things from you, because nowadays in this ritual only we are going from last 2 years, we are doing the same thing only. So when we are taking in a positive way, it is a positive. If people are doing in negative things, they are doing in negative ways only. So it is very good. Your presentation, and where it is the greenhouses located in that, it is in Gulf areas or somewhere else?
Oh,
That greenhouse you told, na?
Gulf, foreign countries.
Okay, foreign countries. Can you tell me which place, means which country like that? The desert greenhouse. Because we don't know. We are getting an idea from you. So only I'm asking.
Nigeria.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, kids, if you are in the line, so anybody have any questions, please ask Deepthi, and he will tell the clear that doubts of yours. Anybody is there?
Yeah, Deepti, today the presentation was so good. I enjoyed the presentation. Like the presentation is something that it should be like this. You have told that the technology gives us boon and curse. So that's also the same thing. The in my side, it's also a boon and curse, because a boon means like we have continuing our academic studies for the past 2 years by technology. So we have to thank technology for that. And the other thing is that we should also tell them a curse, because whenever people go before and all, they go out and meet their friends, but nowadays the life is just gonna human contractions are getting lesser. So I think that boon is also good, and technology is a boon and curse. Thank you, it was a great presentation.
It depends on the individual, how they think.
Any others? Okay. Deepthi, I really appreciate your work, because you have collected a lot of information and you have comprehended everything in a flow. Very good, very good work actually. The background work you have done in a very good way. And the presentation, the way you presented also very nice. More than your presentation, the things you have collected, no, that is more valuable. And you kindly keep it all that things. And I think the as a technology, as a boon, only you have collected so much of information. And also you have produced in a very gracious manner also. So I am very happy to see your presentation, and we think you can give some more presentation in different topics. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. But your actually, whether you have collected the material or your parents supported?
My mother supported me.
Your mother support. But anyhow, it's a very good effort. And the way you presented in sequence, that is also very good. Okay, keep going on and keep do lot of lectures like this. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Archana, any other things, ma? Today, whether we are having a quiz program today? Archana, kindly unmute, ma.
Yes, Akka.
Okay.
Quiz is there.
Quiz is there.
Okay.
Deepthi, whether your parents like to speak some few words? Yeah, she can. If your mother is there, she can talk. After that, we can go for quiz, Archana.
Quiz. Yes, Akka. Okay. After that, we can
Good
go for
evening,
quiz.
ma'am.
Okay.
Good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening to one and all present here in the meeting. Actually, I should thank you for giving us such an opportunity, ma'am. Thank you so much. This is for Deepthi. This is the first platform to explore. Actually, she is interested in all such things, but I just helped her in collecting the information alone. But other part, the preparation and all those things, she only did. No, I would like to thank Archana also for continuous follow up with us to check whether everything is happening on par. So she was with us. Thanks a lot, Archana. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And any other few words about Deepti's other talents?
Deepti's other talents, she's good in, ma'am, whatever we give, she will do.
Okay.
She has got that capacity, ma'am. Whatever you give, she will do. She will do to the best.
Even if you supported in collecting the materials, the way she presented also, she has taken observed everything. What what are the things you have given to her? She had observed all the things and presented, because otherwise
actually,
she can't.
ma'am, actually her preparation happened only by morning.
Oh,
so
okay.
We didn't have. She had just 2 rehearsals alone.
Okay.
That part, whatever we give, she will do.
Okay.
So that confidence we have on her.
All the best, ma. All the best in your future works too. All the best. And any other persons you want to share anything or any doubts you are having with Deepti's presentation, kindly have. Otherwise, we can go for the quiz program. I think Archana will take. Archana, okay, va?
Okay, Akka. Yes, Akka.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, kids, today is the quiz is about the technology only. So everybody is, I think everybody very eager to watch the quiz, because last 4 weeks or 2 or 3 weeks, we are doing the same. So kids are very interested, I think so. Yes or not?
If they want, they can have their video also. No issues.
Off your video.
Okay.
Okay, Ka.
Okay. Whether you are having a PowerPoint, ma, for the quiz program or?
Yes, Akka.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, PowerPoint only, Ka.
Okay, then you can share it. Okay.
So what does LG stands for in a LG Electronics? Kids, what does LG stands for in LG Electronics? Anybody know the answer?
Gold star. Lucky gold star.
Okay, who told this one?
Debashri.
Debashri. Okay, good. That is Lucky
Gold star.
Lucky Gold Star. Yes, it is correct answer. Okay, we can move to the second question. Yes or not?
Kids, you can unmute yourself.
Okay. What is the name of the British computer scientist who invented the World Wide Web in 1989? What is the name of the British computer scientist who invented the World Wide Web in 1989?
Tim Berners-Lee.
What?
Tim Berners-Lee.
Okay, wait. We will check. Any other answers?
வெப் யார் கண்டுபிடிச்சது? வேர்ல்டு வைடு வெப் 1989 யார் கண்டுபிடிச்சது? கேக்குறாங்க. வேர்ல்டு வைடு வெப் in 1989.
Tell the answer. Tim Berners-Lee. Okay.
Berners-Lee.
Okay, Bhavan, you are correct. Okay. Okay, next question is, color TV was the first broadcast in Australia.
So what do we do in this?
What is the answer?
You are asking in which place?
It's in which place?
It's asking
First time.
broadcast in Australia where, but
That?
கலர் டிவி எப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்தது?
1989.
It's 1975. Okay, it's 1975.
$75.
Yeah.
Okay, your fourth question. Which technology company committed
Company
to
has a
pay
committed.
USD 1 million for the next 3 years for publisher of their content?
Yeah. Which technology?
YouTube?
YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, we will check. This is what is this? Google. What is this?
Google.
Google. Okay. Our fifth question. Which institution has created a technology of harvest water from the air?
IIT Gurgaon.
I think my cursor is go fast, so you find the answer. Which institution has created a technology to harvest water from air? Anybody know the answer?
MIT.
IIT?
MIT.
No, it is IIT
IIT.
Guwahati.
Oh, right.
Okay. Sixth question. Which institution has developed an online 1-minute game to create awareness about COVID-19? Which institution has developed an online 1-minute game to create awareness about COVID-19?
IIT Madras.
IIT? IIT?
IIT Madras.
Okay, we will check the answer.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, it is IIT Madras. Who is this? Can I know her name?
Yeah.
Dia.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Which company has been awarded the contract by NASA for developing 4G network on Moon? Which company has been awarded the contract by NASA for developing 4G network on Moon?
Nokia.
Nokia. Okay. We will check.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, it is Nokia. Juhan is the quantum computer developed by which country?
China.
China. Because China. Because we are getting a corona also from there and the quantum also from there. Huh? It is China only.
China, okay.
China. Then scientists of which organization have developed indigenous high electron mobility transistor? Any idea?
Indian Institute of Science.
What?
Indian Institute of Science.
Okay, we
Bengaluru.
will check.
Ma'am,
We will check.
Takshmi's this thing. I remember Takshi Mimura, I think. Right?
Okay, we will check. Okay. This is IIC
In
Bangalore
Indian
Yeah.
Institute of Science.
Science. Okay. What is the main objective of the chip of technique that has been developed recently? What is the main objective of the chip of technology that has been developed recently?
Pranav,
COVID virus. To test COVID virus.
COVID virus. Okay, we can check and we can whether it is correct or not. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
COVID-19 or something. Or
No, it is a data
retrieval.
retrieval. Okay, today this much only the quiz. Okay, everybody enjoyed with the quiz and everything. I think so.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think today program is very nice because the Deepthi done his job very well. So you all people, you can tell your friends and your relatives to come with their talents, and you people also come with your talents